Guys, welcome back to my channel. And today guys, I'm going to be doing bougie on a budget video. So disclaimer, you already see the title of this video. It's gonna be bougie on a budget video, and I'm going to be sharing with you this most talked about Prada boots of the year 2020/2021. I got these last year, but you know, there is lockdown. I've not been able to wear this out, but it is super dope. It is lovely. So I'm going to be sharing it with you guys. We are going to unbox because I've not worn it. So I thought about it. Why not share it on this channel with you guys? So let's get started. And hey, if you don't know me, if you just came across my channel or my videos just pop up on your screen, my name is Sorora Girl. You want to subscribe to my channel because right here I give you the tea, like bougie on a budget video, things that you would love, latest trends and things that are trending, you understand. I bring the unboxing video right here, and they are cheap, affordable, budget friendly. And if you ever have any question to ask me, make sure you ask me on my Instagram, you know, OLA_TORERA. I will answer your questions right there. So these video are items that I bought with my money. You know, I'm just here to show you what they look like. So that's all. Let's get right into this video. Yeah, you know I'm all about good packaging, guys. I'm all about good packaging. And if you are not new to my channel, you know this is bougie on a budget video, like the title explains to you. So I mean, let's get right into it. This Prada this Prada boot is like Prada, like I feel they really went out for this season, because they're actually like different kind of boots that I've been seeing, this, that one, this, you know, there's been different types of boots online right now that, you know, Prada made, and I thought I should get you understand, the affordable ones. So I'm going to be showing it to you right now. So see, it came actually like this, well boxed up, and it came with all this Prada Milano, you know, and the boot itself. Wow, look at this gorgeous black boots. Like look at these gorgeous black boots. I've not been able to wear this out. I won't even lie to you guys. I've not been able to wear it out, but I love it. I would love to, you know, I would love to go out soon and wear this. The fact that this is lock heels, and obviously it will be very, very comfortable. So I'm going to like move closer so you'll be able to see this. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Look at this. I got it in size 37. Yeah, my actual size, and it fits. Yeah, like that. Okay, look at this. Guys, you can't tell me anything. This is so dope. This is so dope. Like, can you see this? So here is the second leg too. So what I really love about these boots is, you know, this, after the lace up, you can just, you know, put all the lace right here and it will stay. I don't know if you can see this. So I love it. I can actually pair this with my gown, you know, normal jeans, anything, literally. I love it. It is really like lightweight. It is not heavy, you know. All those boots that are really heavy, you understand, it's comfortable. I wear size 37 and I got size 37. If you have any question, check my pinned comments, or, you know, message me on Instagram, OLA_TORERA. And I'm going to be showing the picture right here so you see what this looks like. A lot of people actually pair this with the Prada, you know, jackets, coats, and it looks so dope, like so dope. I really want to get those. Actually, I really want to get those too, because I love it. I love how it looks. So it's a good combination together, guys. Both of this and that, they are good combination. You would love it. So I'm going to be pairing this with, you know, a gown or my jean or anything that looks good on it. I just love the jet black. Like, the color is so dope. It's nice. I can't even miss this. When I saw it, I'm like, no, I'm gonna get it because this is super cute. Like, it is so cute. The fact that it's easy to wear with this, you know, this zip makes it very easy to wear, and it's super comfortable. So also inside the real Prada, this is also Prada Milano written on it. The packaging, guys, the packaging is really out of this world. I love it. I love it, guys. Came with this too. Oh yeah, Prada. Let me know if you like this one and what you would like to pair it with. And also follow me so you see how I style this up, okay? If you want more videos like this, show me love in the comments. And subscribe to my channel. Like my video, of course. Share it with your friends because there's more of this video coming. Until next time, we move.